Welcome back to Road Roar, where luxury, speed, and innovation come together. Today, we're checking out something truly unbelievable, the all-new 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a futuristic luxury RV that combines Ferrari-inspired supercar styling with the comfort of a five-star hotel on wheels. This is not your ordinary motorhome. Ferrari has taken luxury travel to another level, creating a machine that looks exotic, feels ultra-premium, and delivers a road presence unlike anything else on the highway. From the outside, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome looks absolutely stunning. Inspired by Ferrari's legendary supercars, the design features a sleek aerodynamic body, aggressive front fascia, signature LED headlights, sculpted body lines, and premium alloy wheels that instantly grab attention. The low-profile styling, sporty air vents, and futuristic lighting give this RV a powerful supercar personality while still maintaining the size and practicality of a luxury motorhome. Step inside, and the Ferrari Motorhome feels more like a luxury penthouse suite than an RV. The cabin is covered in premium leather, carbon fiber accents, Alcantara finishes, and ambient lighting that create a modern and sporty atmosphere. A massive touchscreen infotainment system, digital controls, premium surround sound system, and smart connectivity features make the cabin feel futuristic and high-tech. The lounge area includes plush reclining seats, luxury dining space, and panoramic windows for a first-class travel experience. In the rear, the private bedroom features a king-size bed, designer lighting, premium wardrobes, and a spa-inspired bathroom with high-end fixtures and rainfall shower features. The fully equipped kitchen includes luxury appliances and smart storage solutions designed for long-distance comfort. Performance is expected to be impressive as well. The Ferrari Motorhome could feature a high-performance hybrid powertrain delivering strong acceleration, smooth highway cruising, advanced efficiency, adaptive air suspension, intelligent all-wheel drive, premium braking systems, and modern driver assistance technologies ensure this luxury RV feels stable, refined, and comfortable during long road trips. Pricing for the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is expected to start around $700,000, while fully customized ultra-luxury versions could easily exceed $1 million. The all-new 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is not just an RV. It's a luxury supercar-inspired home on wheels designed for buyers who want ultimate style, comfort, and exclusivity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible luxury vehicle reviews right here on Road Roar.